In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Google Play subscriptions. If you want to review, change, or stop any recurring charges connected to apps and services on your Android device, Google Play gives you a central place to do it. This is useful for keeping track of what you're paying for and making sure your subscriptions still match your needs. To get started, open Google Play on your device. Once you're in the app, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. From there, select Payments and Subscriptions. This section is where Google groups together your purchase-related settings, including active plans and billing options. Next, tap Subscriptions. This will open the area where you can view the subscriptions linked to your Google Play account. Here you'll be able to see the services you're currently paying for, and in many cases, any expired or inactive subscriptions as well. It's a good idea to check this page regularly so you always know what is set to renew. Managing your Google Play subscriptions generally comes down to a few core actions. Once you're inside the subscription list, you can choose the service you want to manage and review the options available for that specific app or platform. If you want to cancel or pause a subscription, tap Manage next to the service you want to edit. From there, you can stop auto renewal immediately, or if the option is available, pause payments for a set amount of time. Keep in mind that canceling does not usually end access right away. In most cases, the subscription stays active until the end of the current billing cycle, so you can continue using the service until that date. If you want to change plans or extend a prepaid subscription, tap the specific app in your subscription list. You may also be redirected to the app itself depending on how that service handles plan changes. This is where you can switch to a different subscription tier or add more time if you're using a prepaid option. It's helpful to double-check the pricing and renewal terms before confirming any changes. Finally, if a subscription is at risk of expiring because of a payment issue, tap Update. This allows you to change your primary or backup payment method so the renewal can go through successfully. Keeping your payment information current can help avoid interruptions to the services you use most, and that's how to manage Google Play subscriptions quickly and efficiently through the Google Play app.